hopefully they're still looking on top of the building, looking for other structural damages, but they haven't found anything so far.
Business owner Mark Doering is 5 blocks from the federal building. Still, he sustained damage, 2 cracked walls and nearly a dozen shattered windows. Window workers all over town are replacing glass in at least 100 buildings as far as 3 miles from the blast site. Of course, the damage gets worse the closer in. The YMCA director says it looks like a tornado inside his building. The YMCA office and 9 other buildings clustered around the federal building have major structural damage.
The Journal Record building here is a great old Art Deco building, and all the glass was out, and you could look in. No wall coverings, no wallboard, just concrete and steel.
Oklahoma Insurance Commissioner John Crawford says all the damage his office has tracked so far citywide could cost $1 billion, nearly twice the cost of the World Trade Center bombing. And that $1 billion damage estimate could rise in the coming weeks as residents and property owners survey their property.
They'll just start noticing things like the door won't close at their home, or cracks appear, or they'll go out and discover their foundations moved. And it'll just take a while for them to really recognize it, because, you know, the concentration is here now. People aren't really looking this far out.